Hey, this episode we're going to be talking about putting a dimmer switch on these LED lights in these campers. So here's the type of switch you need. It is a PWM dimmer switch. What that means is it takes the electric and kind of, nanoseconds, it turns it on and off, and that's how the LED gets the dimming capability. What it does end up doing is it lets your LEDs last a long time. It doesn't eat away at them. The other dimmer switches that you'll see are not designed for LED. So the PWM dimmer switches are designed for LED lights. And this is the switch right here. It's a typical, turn, push it on, push it off dimmer switch. And we'll show you how to install it right now. So these dimmer switches, you can install them on your main setup here and, control all your lights in one, dimmer switch assembly. But I didn't want to do that. I want to do it here because my daughter, that light is super bright and there's no dimming for it. And, she still wants the night light to be on. So I'm going to make that thing dim because right now she's sleeping with that thing full blast and I can't take it. So I got the assembly pulled out from the wall, and generally the black one is a negative, the ground, and the other one would be the power. But we want to verify this because just because you think that the black one is the ground doesn't mean it always is. So we're going to verify that right now. An easy way to verify is get yourself a 12-volt tester and take the negative side, the outer clip, and touch it to the negative terminal in your circuit breaker. If you don't feel like you want to take this cover off and do it this way, you can run a long cable from your battery negative cable itself and just run it all the way up here. So that is another option. And then we're going to test that cable. So let's take the cable and we'll touch it to the white one. And I'm not seeing anything. And we'll touch it to the black one. And there we go. So on this case, the black wire is actually the power cable. So black is power on this one. So if we didn't know that, we would have messed everything up. So this is the wiring diagram. We're going to see that we have three connectors on the dimmer. One has to be on the positive battery. The other one is to the negative battery, and the third one will go to your LED. And then on the other side of your LED, you'll run it back to the ground. So we're going to do that right now. Also on the back side of this, you can see the same diagram. So we're going to run the positive, negative, then to the LED light. And that's the final product. You can turn it off, turn it on, and you can dim it down, way down. That way you get a nice dim area down here so you can sleep. And that's it.